Even the dry bones in the graves that are beginning to shake. They know the time has come. It's a shame that some people who are still living don't understand that, especially Igbo traders in Lagos. Osetigo, Ladipo is the first phase of this very deadly salvo. They will destroy your businesses. After that, they will take over your houses. When I make open for them, I want you to be writing down what I'm saying. That is why barrister will say, go and bring your pen and your paper. So that when we are speaking, I know what your matching a kid,
if you go in this life, Nde Fuamoro, Nde Yoruba, Nde Hausa, Ahura Enanya. Yes, fa Ahura Enanya atolato. Neka fase bia, ne demolish. Ono belong to Ndi Igbo without any notice, according to the eyes witness. Yes, also that na any notice at all. Na fa just no bia one early morning. They are no need demolish all this building. However, Kamazi Nnamdi Kanu Neku, the indigenous people of Biafra. Now so that Nibru Igbo na ge bambo, Notawa Igbo, Biami investments. Na Giapo, that's Lagos State. About Lagos State. As far as now that place Abura Igbo, na ge hapo that place. Come to your state, come to an Igbo, be a developed way. What check at these peoples will be in Lagos, na trade fair. Biani demolish houses. Biani demolish building the mad warehouse without any notice. Yeah, this is unfair. This is unfair. According to what they're saying, that's that never Neguru Kota Kogen what they will immediately seek for that place. And Maju, Ogendi Bobidro foundation that place. Where are you people? Where are you people? Ogendi Bob foundation that place. What look at these buildings we run and across this 3-story building or 2-story building, Korean no good one or the flat nana. Yes, according to eyes witness, that's that many finding notice. I want to be say, but in our state, we have investments. But I need to be investment. I would go the time I could see here produce people they are Lagos. Yes, all the time I could see produce people they are Lagos. Kafa way because they did not love us. They did not love us. If you make one day abuanyofu, yes, neka fasi akutu nonde, uno ndi Igbo. Neka fasi akutu nonde Igbo. Ana Jumaju, who gave a bit foundation of this house? Who gave the foundation? A baker these people no. A baker fan ona fa foria. Argudo no, Rossio no. Antono ni ana akutu wuri no they uncompleted. Oni na fafana kuzeba oni na disiko completed. Abera no darono ndi Igbo bororo. They could see without any notice. According to the eye business, that's not even a good fabric that now this government, this Lagos State government ain't never notice at all. Yes, not also be no one early morning, be no corona, faro, na trade fair, na kutusi. Na kutusi could now for the type of hatred, type of wickedness before. Why Kamazi Nnamdi Kanu chase that if you bring Igbo na get in Igbo land and investments. Go who are from Taderai.